Hello dear student, as you know we completed our revision of chapter 1 and 2 and PA1 syllabus chapter 4 is there, so we are going to continue with the chapter 4. Chapter 4 number is direction. Okay, important notes: there are 4 main directions: north, south, east, west. 4 sub directions are there: northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. Okay, so knowledge of direction is helpful in locating a place, person or a thing. We can find the directions with the help of the sun. A compass is an instrument used for finding directions. Maps are also helpful in finding out the location and directions of a place. A book containing map is called a atlas. Okay students, there are 4 main directions and other sub directions are 4. So direction give us locating place, person and thing. We can find direction with the help of the rising sun. Okay, rising sun का help से भी हम अपना डायरेक्शन को ढूंढ सकते हैं. Always sun rises in the students. That is how we will get the that one is you can find the towards always sun rises in the east and always sun rises in the east and in the west. So our right side is north and our left side is west. If we are facing to the map, we are standing if facing to the map, upper side of the map is north and bottom side is south. Our right is east and our left is west. Our Gujarat is located in west and my native place Karnataka is located in south side. Okay, so a book of map containing is called a atlas. जो सब तरह का मैप होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एटलास हम बोलते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ और एक है हम इंस्ट्रूमेंट कौन सा यूज़ करते हैं? जैसे हम स्टार्स और स्काई में से स्पेस में से देखने के लिए टेलीस्कोप यूज़ करते थे, वैसे ही हम कंपास यूज़ करते हैं. कंपास का नीडल ऑलवेज फेसिंग टू दी नॉर्थ साइड में ही होता है. सो दैट्स अपोजिट साइड इज साउथ एंड दैट्स राइट साइड इज ईस्ट एंड दैट्स लेफ्ट साइड इज नॉर्थ. दैट टाइप ऑफ वी विल get know about our directions. Okay, this is about our introduction of chapter. I hope you already learn and read this chapter. So first is students, now come to the our first one is so multiple choice question. The number of the main directions is 4. How many? 4. 4 there. The sun rises in the east. The sun sets in the west. Okay, north direction is opposite to the south. Option D, SOUTH. Okay, which direction is shown on the map top side of this? North. Option C is correct. Sri Lanka is located in the dash of map, south. So turn the page number. Question number 2 is fill in the blanks. Okay, the dash star does not change its position. Pole, P-O, pole star. Okay, so second question is Pakistan is in the west of India. So our Gujarat is also west side of our India. So our Gujarat border is share its border with Pakistan. As you know na, Punjab, Gujarat and Rajasthan share their border with Pakistan. The needle of the compass always points towards the north. N-O-R-T-H, north. The intermediate direction between west and south is southwest. Fifth one, a dash is a flat drawing of an area, map, M-A-P, map. If you are facing the north, dash is towards your back, south. Write true or false. There are only two directions, so it is false. We can use a compass at night. True. A map shows only water body of the earth. False. Direction help us to reach our destination. True. Northeast is between west and north. False. So fill in the other direction in relation to the given the north direction. Already north is given here. You have to, north's opposite is always south. Bottom side is south and right side is east and left side is west. North and east between is northeast. And south and east between is southeast. And south and west between southwest. And north and west between northwest. Okay, this is our answer. North, south, west, east. Northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. Okay, now turn the page number. Short question answers are there. Give the name of 4 sub direction. Okay, name the names of 4 main directions are, sub directions are 4 sub direction, not a main. Northeast, southeast, northwest and southwest. What is a compass? A compass is an instrument to get a direction. How is map helpful to us? Map helpful to us locate our destination. Name 4 main directions. North, south, east and west are 4 main directions. How can we find the direction with the help of the sun? I am going to send this PDF with you. So you have to write these answers in your PDF, in your revision sheet. Okay children. So now draw the direction. Draw a diagram of find out the direction according to the map. मैंने जो पहले मैप दिया था वैसे ही आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. Now come to the 5th chapter. 5th chapter is our country. Okay, which one is 5th chapter? Our country. Important notes. India is also called Bharat. So our country, India is a country. इंडिया जो है हमारा देश है. ये हमारा देश एशिया खंड में आता है. देर आर 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स आर देर. हमारा पूरा वर्ल्ड में 7 खंड है. उसमें हमारा एशिया खंड में हमारा भारत देश आता है. भारत को हम इंडिया भी बोलते हैं. भारत इज़ अ वेरी वास्ट मीन्स बड़ा कंट्री है. यहाँ के ये बड़ा कंट्री 7th प्लेस में आता है और पॉपुलेशन वाइज में 2nd प्लेस में आता है. 7th एंड 2nd प्लेस में. 7th एरिया वाइज में एंड पॉपुलेशन में 2nd में आता है. A physical map shows rivers, mountains and plateaus and plains. फिजिकल मैप जो होता है वो रिवर, प्लेट्यू एंड माउंटेन्स वो सब दिखाता है. देर आर in your third standard there are only two types of map, physical map and political map. In future whenever you are going to learn of your fourth and fifth standard, that time you will know about another maps. The Himalayas are in the north of India. I showed you map. हिमालय जो है वो नॉर्थ साइड में है. Plains are flat, so Himalayas are, see here. ये जो है ये हिमालय है. ये जो ब्राउन कलर का ये जो भी है ये पहाड़ी माउंटेन्स का दिखाता है. इट इज़ हिमालय. ओके, सो प्लेन्स एंड फ्लैट लेवल लैंड दीज आर जनरली शोन इन ग्रीन कलर. देखो ये जो भी है ये ग्रीन कलर से फ्लैट एंड प्लेन एरिया है. यहाँ पे कुछ माउंटेन ऐसे कुछ नहीं आता है. ग्रीन भी आता, ग्रीन कलर. द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स ऑफ इंडिया आर वेरी फर्टाइल. नॉर्दर्न प्लेन, यहाँ पे जो नॉर्दर्न प्लेन है ये वेरी फर्टाइल है. So as you know, northern plains of India are very fertile. Now come to the Deccan Plateau is triangular in shape. It is rich in minerals. हमने जो आपको बोला था डेक्कन प्लेट्यू ये साउथ पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया में आता है और इसका शेप कैसा है, ट्रायंगुलर, त्रिकोण आकार जैसे इसका शेप है. ये मिनरल से भरा हुआ है. जैसे नॉर्दर्न प्लेन जो है वो फर्टाइल एरिया है, वैसे ही हमारा जो डेक्कन प्लेट्यू है. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू पिक्चर नाउ. दिस इज ओके डियर चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज कॉल्ड अवर डेक्कन प्लेट्यू. कैन यू सी हियर दिस पिक्चर is shape up in triangular shape. This is called a Deccan Plateau. It is very fertile with the minerals. Okay, so the coastal plains are very fertile, see here, this is called a coastal line. Arabian coast, Arabian Sea coastal, Bay of Bengal coastal, Indian Ocean coastal. Arabian Sea coastal and Bay of Bengal coastal is very fertile for our India. Okay, now the desert is the sandy dry area. Thar desert of India lies in Rajasthan. थार डेजर्ट जो है इंडिया का राजस्थान राज्य में आता है. उसका डेजर्ट जो है बहुत ही सैंडी एरिया और ड्राई होता है. वहाँ पे ग्रीनरी कम होती है और वाटर का भी लेवल बहुत कम होता है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड, वहाँ पे रेन बहुत ही कम होता है. रेन क्या होता है, कम हो. थार डेजर्ट जो है वो इंडिया में आता है. इंडिया का राजस्थान राज्य में आता है. सी हियर, राजस्थान इज हियर. इट शोज इन येलो कलर. इट शेयर इट्स बॉर्डर विथ पाकिस्तान एंड गुजरात एंड यहाँ पे ओके पंजाब को भी अपना बॉर्डर शेयर करता है. सो यहाँ पे बहुत ही लिटिल वाटर होता है. वहाँ पे रेन बहुत ही कम होता है और सैंडी एरिया होता है. सो हियर स्कैंटी रेनफॉल मीन्स, स्कैंटी मीन्स वेरी लिटिल, बहुत ही कम रेनफॉल होती है. द थार डेजर्ट, दिस इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ थार डेजर्ट. विच एनिमल इज यूज्ड इन थार डेजर्ट? देर इज यूज्ड अ camel. Camel is the ship of desert area. Now the islands are land masses covered by water and all its side. Landmass means चारों तरफ से घेरा हुआ, एक तरफ ही सिर्फ भूमि होती है, उसको हम आइलैंड कहते हैं. समंदर के बीच में या कोई भी नदी के बीच में चारों तरफ से वाटर से घेरा हुआ लैंड को हम आइलैंड कहते हैं. नाउ कम टू द पेज नंबर 21. There we will get a multiple choice of questions. Chapter number this. Okay, 5. Multiple choice question number 1. See here. Dear children, see here. Now, the 7th largest country in the South Asia is option A India, option B Pakistan, option C Sri Lanka, option D Nepal. Our right option is option A India. Okay, desert are dash area. Number A flat, B level, C sandy and none of these. Our option is SANDY, sandy, and option C is correct option. The shape of the Deccan Plateau is option A round, option B square, option C rectangular, option D triangular. Our option is option D triangular. The height of the Mount Everest is option A 8,848 meter, option B 8,000 meter, option C 8,048 meter, and option D 8,880 meter. Our option is option A is correct option. So now dear children, number 5, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, Pacific Ocean. No, our option D is Bay of Bengal. Option D is correct option. Number 6, that is the main animal in the desert. Tiger, camel, deer, and lion. Option B, camel is the main animal of the desert. Okay, now come to the page number 22. You will get there fill in the blanks. What is there? Fill in the blanks. Dash islands are in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep islands are in the Arabian Sea. Dash desert is in Rajasthan. Thar desert is in Rajasthan. The plains are generally shown in dash color in a map. Green color in a map. Dash is the tallest peak in the world. Mount Everest is the tallest peak in the world. Eastern coastal plains lie along with the Bay of Bengal. Our answer is Bay of Bengal. Now question number 3 is right, true or false. The Himalayas are in the north. Yes, it is a correct. Our Himalaya in our map, it shows in a north side, upper side of the map, topmost of the map. Mount Everest is located in Nepal. Yes, it's a true. India is the second largest country. No, it's a false. The camel is an important animal of the coastal areas. False. In Indian physical map, green color shows the mountain. False. Green color shows the plains. Match the following: Himalayas, Thar Desert, Lakshadweep, Deccan Plateau, and the Ganga. The Himalayas in north side, the Thar Desert, Rajasthan, Lakshadweep in Arabian Sea, Deccan Plateau, triangular, the Ganga, northern plain. This answer you will get here. Number 1, 5, number 2, 4, number 3, 3, number 4, 2 option. Wait, I am going to show you this picture. Number 1 is 5, number 2 is 4, B column 5 is first answer, 3, 2, 1. Short question answers. Name the 3 main rivers northern plains. This I am going to send you PDF. You have to do this work in your homework by using my PDF. मैं आपको PDF भेज रही हूँ, वो PDF देख के आपको homework में short question answers and long question answers of chapter 5 you have to do. Name the main rivers of the northern plain. The main rivers of the northern plains are the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, and the Satluj. The name any 2 rivers of Deccan Plateau. The 2 rivers of the Deccan Plateau is the Godavari and the Krishna. What does physical map shows us? The physical map shows mountain, plains, plateau, island, coastal plain, and desert, etc. What is plain? Okay, and name any Bay of Bengal. These answers I am going to send you in PDF. You have to use that PDF and complete the revision sheet chapter number 5 in your homework. Okay, I hope you all will do this work with a very good handwriting. It will be helpful for your SS term 1 examination. Okay, take care. Bye bye.